Hey everyone, are you tired of messy cables and limited HDMI setups? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver systems that will give you high-quality video streaming without the clutter. Whether for work or home entertainment, these devices make your life easier. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Hagibis wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. The Hagibis wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver system offers a flexible and convenient solution for wireless video transmission. It comes in 2 distinct models tailored to different user needs. The G10W Lite, designed for straightforward point-to-point connections, and the G10W Pro, which supports both point-to-point and software-based connectivity. This versatility allows users to select the version that best fits their specific application. One of the key features of this product line is its ease of use. The devices operate on a true plug-and-play basis, eliminating the need for complex setup processes such as driver installations, app operations, or network configurations. Users simply connect the transmitter and receiver for instant wireless HDMI transmission, making it ideal for quick deployment in various environments. The system supports wireless transmission over distances up to 50 meters, based on open environment testing. This range makes it suitable for large conference rooms, office spaces, or even home settings. However, actual performance may vary depending on environmental factors like walls or other obstructions, which can affect the transmission distance. Utilizing 5G wireless transmission technology, the Hagibis system delivers high-definition video with low latency. This ensures a stable and clear signal, providing an enhanced viewing experience whether for presentations, meetings, or entertainment. Overall, the Hagibis wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver system combines ease of use, robust performance, and flexible connectivity options to meet the demands of modern wireless video transmission needs. Coming in at number 4, the Vikefon wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. The Vikefon wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver offers a seamless way to mirror your computer or other HDMI device screens wirelessly to a TV or monitor. The setup begins by connecting the receiver to a display device's HDMI input port, such as a television or monitor, and powering it through a Type-C cable with a 5-volt 1-amp power supply. Next, the transmitter connects to the computer or any HDMI output device. Once connected, the device automatically starts screen mirroring, indicated by a flashing light on the transmitter. This allows users to easily share their screen content on larger displays without the need for cables running between devices. The system also features a convenient pause and resume function for screen projection, which can be controlled via a button on the transmitter. This functionality makes it easy to temporarily halt and restart the screen sharing without disconnecting devices. Vikefon's wireless HDMI solution comes pre-paired from the factory, enabling a plug-and-play experience. In cases where the connection does not establish automatically, a straightforward manual pairing process is available. This involves connecting the transmitter and receiver via an HDMI converter, powering both devices, and watching for simultaneous flashing indicator lights on both units to confirm successful pairing. After pairing, the devices should be powered off and on again to finalize the setup. Overall, the Vikefon wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver provides an efficient and user-friendly method to wirelessly transmit high-definition video and audio signals, enhancing the convenience of presentations, media streaming, and screen sharing without the clutter of cables. At number 3, we have the Lemorele wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. The Lemorele wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver offers a seamless solution for transmitting high-definition video signals without the clutter of cables. Delivering vivid 1080p resolution at 60 Hz, it ensures excellent image clarity, making it ideal for streaming, presentations, and home entertainment setups. Setting up the system is straightforward with its plug-and-play design. Once powered, the transmitter and receiver automatically pair within 5 seconds when connected to HDMI devices, allowing users to start their wireless display quickly and effortlessly. One of the key features of this device is its impressive wireless transmission range. It supports up to 165 feet in open spaces, though the effective range may reduce to approximately 32 feet when the signal passes through walls or other physical obstacles. This flexibility makes it suitable for various environments, from home theaters to office meeting rooms. The Lemorele system also supports multi-transmitter functionality, allowing up to 8 transmitters to connect to a single receiver. Users can easily switch between transmitters with just one click, though only one transmitter can be active with the receiver at any given time. It is important to note that multiple receivers cannot connect simultaneously to a single transmitter. Equipped with a built-in 5G smart chip, the device ensures stable signal transmission with minimal interruptions, enhancing the overall viewing experience. This smart technology intelligently manages the connection to prevent common wireless issues such as lag or interference. Overall, the Lemorele wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver combines high-quality video performance, ease of use, and flexible connectivity options to provide a reliable wireless display solution suitable for a variety of applications. Next up at number 2 is the Vention wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. The Vention wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver offers a versatile and convenient solution for wireless video and audio transmission. Designed to enhance connectivity and ease of use, this system supports multi-point connections, allowing users to pair up to 8 source devices simultaneously. This feature enables seamless switching between different source signals without the hassle of manually reconnecting devices. Operating on the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, the Vention system ensures smooth, synchronized playback of both audio and video. The choice of the 5 GHz band helps minimize interference from other wireless devices, delivering a clearer and more stable signal. This makes it ideal for environments with many competing wireless signals. One of the standout features is the one-touch disconnect and reconnect function, which allows users to quickly toggle the connection between the transmitter and their device with a simple press of a button. This quick access button adds an extra layer of convenience, making it easy to manage connections without complicated setups. The transmitter and receiver can wirelessly extend HDMI signals over distances of up to 40 meters, transmitting uncompressed signals with near-zero latency. This makes the device suitable for various setups where cables would be cumbersome or impractical, such as conference rooms, home theaters, or classrooms. Additionally, the package includes a 0.2-meter HDMI extension cable specifically designed for wall-mounted TVs, helping users connect the transmitter discreetly and maintain a clean installation. Overall, the Vention wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver combines multiple advanced features to provide reliable, high-quality wireless HDMI transmission with practical functionality suited for both professional and home use. Finally, at number 1, we have the Unnlink wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. The Unnlink wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver delivers an impressive solution for those seeking high-quality wireless video transmission. Supporting stunning 4K resolution at 30 Hz, it offers visuals that are 4 times sharper than traditional 1080p, making it ideal for displaying crisp, detailed images, whether for professional presentations or home entertainment. One of the standout features is its remarkable transmission distance of up to 150 meters. This extended range allows users to project their content across large rooms or even through walls, making it especially useful in conference halls, classrooms, or other expansive environments. The device's high-gain antenna plays a key role in maintaining a stable signal even when obstacles like walls are present, ensuring consistent and reliable connectivity. Setup is made simple with plug-and-play functionality, eliminating the need for additional drivers or apps. This ease of use means users can get started quickly, focusing more on their content and less on technical configurations. Additionally, the system supports multiple transmitting devices, allowing seamless switching between sources without interference or signal drops. This feature enhances flexibility, particularly in multi-user or multi-device scenarios where smooth transitions are crucial.